Namaste. Peace and blessing to you. Happy New Year. May 2026 offer you space to breathe, time to turn inward, and moments that feel nourishing. I am Aphinya, and this is Aphinya Yoga. If your day is already feel full, busy, and a little scattered, I am so glad you are here. This short, energizing yoga flow is designed to help you to reconnect with your breath, waking up your body, and also find that sense of balance. Roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's meet one another in child's pose, please. Toe together, knees apart, arms alongside the ear, head connect toward the earth. You find your breath. Connect with it. One more deep breath right here. And allow your body to expand and soften with the breath. Next, inhale, you come up onto your hands and knees. And exhale, go into a spinal circulation. Any direction first is okay. Start to slowly waking up the body. Three more, please. 1, 2, 3. Other direction, please. And as you move and connect to the body, know what's happening right here, right now. And how can you be here for yourself without judging? Last 3 breaths right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale, round your back up toward the sky and take child's pose, please. Inhale, cat pose. Come onto your hands and knee and go forward. Exhale into half back bend. Inhale, move through cat pose gradually. And then exhale, slowly take yourself down toward child's pose. 4 more. Spread your finger apart. Feel your shoulders come together. Exhale, sit down, stretch your back. 1. And as you are in half back bend, chest open, shoulder blades together. 2. Last 2 right here. 3. 4. Balance on your left hand's knee. Kick your right leg back, right arms overhead. Inhale. Stretch toward the right side body. Exhale. Push the floor away from your left arm up toward the sky. Inhale. Stretch the left side's body. Exhale. Come up and away from the stretch, facing forward, lizard pose. Right leg to the right, body diagonal to the left. 2 more breaths. You want to bring the heart downward toward the earth. Hips open. Last breath here. Go toward the floor as deep as you can while that right knee remains over the ankle. Standing split, kick the left leg up toward the sky. Inhale. Land it back behind you, warrior 1. 2 more breaths. Shoulder blades together. Arms up toward the sky. Last breath here. Reach long out to the arms. Hands come down toward the earth. Three-legged dog. Kick your right leg back and up with the hips open. Bend the knee and then kick that right leg to the left. Extend your right leg straight. Square the hip. Come forward to plank. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Two more. Last one. Come down to your hands and knees. Now this time balance on your right hand and your right knee. Kick your left leg back. Left arm up toward the sky. Inhale. Extend alongside the ears. Exhale, long left side's body. Then push the floor away from you. Right arms up toward the sky. Inhale. Stretch left. Exhale. Come away from the stretch, hand toward the earth. Lizard pose. Left leg go forward into the left body. Diagonal to the right. Last two breaths here. Sink deeper gradually. Standing split, right leg go up toward the sky. Inhale. Land it back. Warrior one. Exhale. Two more breaths right here. Move with the breath. Let it lead you. Three-legged dog. Left leg go back and up toward the sky. Opening the hips, knees bend. Kick it to the right. Extend your left leg straight. Square the hip. Come forward to plank. Inhale. When you lower down, Chaturanga Dandasana, mindfully. Locust pose. 3 breaths. Interlace your finger. Lift the chest and the legs. 1, 2. Last breath. 3. Downward facing dog. Bend your knees, look between your hands, go forward to Uttanasana, mindfully. Inhale, extend your heart forward and open. Utkatasana, exhale. 2 more breaths right here. Sinks a little deeper. Another breath. Pushing to your feet, stand nice and tall. Inhale. Uttanasana, exhale. Move your heart forward and open. Right leg back, warrior 2. 2 more breaths. 1. 2. Reverse warrior, left arm up. Inhale. Stretch back, exhale. Trikonasana, triangle. Straight the left leg, windmill the arm. Last 2 breaths right here. 1. 2. Pyramid pose, please. Square the hips, spines lengthen, bow down. 2 more breaths. 1. 2. Step the right leg forward, Uttanasana. Extend your heart forward and open. Inhale. Step back and jump back to plank or Chaturanga Dandasana. Finish your flow here. Up dog or cobra. Downward facing dog. Balance on your left leg, lift your right leg back and up toward the sky. Step your right leg forward between the hands. Warrior 2. 2 more breaths. Last one. Reverse warrior, right arms up toward the sky. Inhale. Stretch back, exhale. Trikonasana, come forward with your right hand. Straight your right leg. Windmill the arms. 2 more breaths. Then pyramid pose. Add 2 more breaths right here. 1. Bend both knees, step your left leg forward, Uttanasana. Open your heart, look forward, inhale. Sit down, Malasana, exhale. Go all the way to your sitting bone, then Navasana, boat pose. Find your boat with the knee bent, with your legs straight, with the whole the legs or not. And then feet together, knees open, Baddha Konasana. You can rock your hips side to side, keep your chest nice and open. Then relax, rock back and forth until you go back up to Uttanasana. Extend your heart forward and open. Bow down, exhale. Ground out to your feet, open your arms out and up toward the sky, inhale. Bring your hands together in prayer. Back to your heart. Balance on your left leg, right leg up into tree pose. Breathe and listen. Relax your neck, your jaw. Get your right knee back toward your chest. Send it back behind you. Parivitta Pasvakonasana, right elbow outside of your left knee. Hands in prayer. And you twist. Another breath right here. Hand come down toward the earth. Three-legged dog. Keep your left leg back and up. Inhale. Step forward between the hands. Half moon pose. Adichandrasana. One more breath. Uttanasana. Exhale. Open your heart. Look forward. Inhale. Bow down. Exhale. Ground out to your feet. Open your arms out and up toward the sky. Inhale. Hands come in prayer. As you shift toward your right leg, get your left leg up into tree pose. Couple more breaths right here. You move along with breath and let the body be as it is. Last one. Relax your jaw. Hug your left knee toward your chest. Inhale. Send it back behind you. Parivitta Pasvakonasana. Left elbow outside of your right knee. Hands in prayer. Twist. 2 more breaths. 1. 2. Untwist, hands come down, three-legged dog, right leg go back and up, inhale, opening the hip. Step forward between the hand, we go into half moon pose, Adichandrasana. Give yourself one more breath right here. Then square the hip. Bend your right knee, land your left leg back behind you. Pivot to the left. Come to Pasarita Padottanasana. Hold your elbow, head hang nice and deep. And you're dangling your body side to side. You can hold the back of your head, or maybe if you like, you can interlace your finger and draw your shoulder blade together. Last breath right here. Any option you choose because you listen to your body. And then you bend both knees, turn back toward the front of the mat. Get your left knee down. Get your right leg back. Sit down onto your heel, top of your toes onto the earth. And bring your left hand onto your heart and your right hand onto your belly. With your eyes closed. Observe this moment with an open heart. You are right here. Reconnect with yourself to what matters to you most. May you carry this moment, the moment that you finally feel more awakening and a greater sense of self. Join your hands together and you bow down toward yourself. Namaste. If you liked this video and want more of what I have to offer, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Feel free to leave comments and questions. I also teach online live class every Saturday. Link will be on the description below. And last but not least, if you want to donate to my channel, the link is also there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Namaste.